Are you tired of that stubborn belly fat that just won't budge no matter what you do? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? We've all been there, struggling to button our jeans, feeling bloated and uncomfortable. It's a common issue that many of us face, and it can really affect our confidence and how we feel about ourselves. But don't worry, I'm here to share 10 proven tips that will help you get a flatter stomach and boost your confidence. These tips are not just about quick fixes, but about sustainable changes that will help you in the long run. These tips are all about making simple changes to your lifestyle that will have a big impact in the long run. From adjusting your diet to incorporating more physical activity, every small step counts. For instance, staying hydrated and eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can make a huge difference. It's not just about cutting calories, but about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. And let's not forget the importance of managing stress. Practices like yoga and meditation can help reduce stress levels, which in turn can help reduce belly fat. So if you're ready to finally achieve your flat stomach goals, keep watching. We're going to dive deep into each of these tips and show you how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Trust me, with a little bit of effort and consistency, you'll start seeing results in no time. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. So let's get started and make those flat stomach dreams a reality.
Let's kick things off with my absolute favorite, high IT, or high intensity interval training. This workout style is not just a trend, it's a game changer in the fitness world. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, HIIT can be tailored to fit your fitness level and goals. This is a super effective way to burn calories and torch belly fat. Imagine getting the benefits of a long run or a traditional gym session in just a fraction of the time. That's the magic of HIIT. It's designed to push your limits and get your heart pumping. We're talking short bursts of intense exercise, followed by brief recovery periods. Think burpees, mountain climbers, and other high-energy moves that challenge your body. These exercises are not only great for building strength, but also for improving your cardiovascular health. Jump squats, the fun stuff. These explosive movements are fantastic for building muscle and increasing your overall power. Plus, they add a dynamic element to your workout that keeps things interesting and engaging. HIIT workouts are amazing because they keep your heart rate elevated, which means you burn more calories even after your workout is done. This phenomenon is known as the afterburn effect, where your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate post-exercise. Plus, they're usually pretty quick, so you can squeeze them into even the busiest schedule. Whether you have 15 minutes in the morning or a half hour during lunch, HIIT can fit into your day seamlessly. It's perfect for busy professionals, parents, or anyone looking to maximize their workout efficiency. And the best part? You don't need a lot of equipment or space. A small area in your living room or a corner of your office can be enough. There are plenty of online resources and apps that offer guided HIIT workouts, making it easy to get started. Remember to always warm up before starting your HIIT session and cool down afterward. This helps prevent injuries and aids in recovery. Stretching and light movements post-workout can help reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Hydration and nutrition are also key. Make sure to drink plenty of water and fuel your body with healthy foods to support your fitness journey. Tracking your progress can be motivating and help you stay on track with your goals. So, are you ready to hit it hard? Embrace the challenge, enjoy the process, and watch as you transform your body and boost your fitness levels. Let's get moving and make every second count. Free.
Next up, let's talk about protein, the ultimate weapon against belly fat. Protein keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which means you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. Plus, it helps build and maintain lean muscle mass, which further boosts your metabolism. So make sure to include plenty of protein in your diet. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and tofu.
Now, let's talk about sugar, the silent saboteur of a flat stomach. When you eat too much sugar, your body stores it as fat, especially around your midsection. So, it's time to cut back on those sugary drinks, processed snacks and desserts. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables and lean proteins. Trust me, your waistline will thank you.
Chapter 4. Water works wonders. You guys know I'm obsessed with staying hydrated, and for good reason. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Water helps flush out toxins, boosts your metabolism, and keeps you feeling full, which can prevent overeating. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. You can even add some lemon or cucumber slices for a refreshing twist.
Chapter 5. Sleep your way to slim. Believe it or not, getting enough sleep is essential for achieving a flat stomach. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased belly fat storage. Not to mention, when you're tired, you're more likely to make unhealthy food choices and skip your workouts. So, aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night.
Chapter 6. Trans fat, the ultimate enemy. Let's talk about trans fats, the ultimate enemy when it comes to belly fat. Trans fats are found in many processed foods and are known to increase inflammation and belly fat storage. So, it's best to avoid them altogether. Check food labels carefully and steer clear of anything that lists partially hydrogenated oil as an ingredient. Chapter 7. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to losing belly fat. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains help you feel full and satisfied, preventing overeating. Plus, they regulate digestion and can even help reduce bloating. So, make sure to include plenty of fiber in your diet.
Chapter 8. Stress less, weigh less. Stress can wreak havoc on your body in so many ways, including your waistline. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which can lead to increased belly fat storage. So, it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature.
Chapter 9. Alcohol and your waistline. Let's be real. We all enjoy a glass of wine or a cocktail now and then, but it's important to be mindful of our alcohol consumption as it can contribute to belly fat. Alcohol is high in calories and can also lower your inhibitions, leading to overeating. So, enjoy in moderation.
Chapter 10. Consistency is key. Last but not least, remember that consistency is key when it comes to losing belly fat and keeping it off. Make these tips a part of your lifestyle, and you'll start seeing amazing results. Don't get discouraged if you don't see changes overnight. It takes time and effort, but trust me, it's so worth it. So there you have it. 10 proven tips to help you lose belly fat and get that toned stomach you've always wanted. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that you can stick with long term. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fitness and nutrition advice. Now go out there and crush your fitness goals. You've got this. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Whether you're just beginning or you're well on your way, consistency is key. It's not about perfection, but about making progress each day. Fuel your body with nutritious foods that give you energy and help you recover. Don't forget to take care of your mental health too. A balanced mind leads to a balanced body. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Share your journey with friends and family. Their support can be a great motivator. Find a workout buddy or join a community. It's always easier when you have someone to share the journey with. Stay positive and keep pushing forward. Remember, every effort counts. Hydrate well and give your body the rest it needs. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. You've got the tools and the knowledge. Now it's time to put them into action. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. The journey might be challenging, but the results are worth it. Thank you for watching and being a part of this community. Together we can achieve great things. Until next time, stay motivated, stay healthy, and keep pushing towards your goals. You've got this.